This selections area is another status type of update, just making sure that all the things that need to be selected by clients have been selected. And again, we're using the color scheme. You see a couple red things over here, but if we start scrolling right, we'll see a lot more. And those are the things that are outstanding. And so as you add things to these pull down lists, you want to make sure that you keep the need selection red, and anything you add, make sure you make it green. And then I do find it easier if I go ahead when I'm doing that is sort them into alphabetical order. It makes it easier to find the one I'm looking for. And so you see here that these are sorting based off of this actual delivery date. I believe I'm right. Let's look and see. Let's make sure that's correct. But I'm pretty sure that's correct. Yes, actual delivery date as opposed to the proposed delivery date. And so the ones at the top of the list are going to be the first things you install, and then these get progressively further down the road or further out. And so red things down here are not nearly as important as red things up here. Again, if you're looking at this on a daily basis, you shouldn't get to the hardware portion of the job and realize that we don't know what the hardware is. So monitoring these on a daily basis will make sure we don't have any surprises, and that we are making sure the clients know that we're waiting on something and that we get that information in a timely manner so that we can keep their project moving forward. And that's it about the selections area.